These two essential oil blends come with a beautiful exclusive monogram clutch to carry all your favorite doTERRA Touch oils. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the doTERRA Clutch as well as the doTERRA Dream and Radiant essential oil blends. And the common uses for this are aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, and if you can point to it, you can roll it on. The main benefits of the Dream blend is that it's an inspiring aroma designed to support your dreams with your heart wide open, and then the Radiant blend brings out your inner glow with a daring and vibrant aroma that instills confidence. You can use these two oil blends, and they also come with a clutch to carry them in, and each one can be rolled on behind your ears, under your wrists, or on the back of your neck. And some good times to do that is maybe morning and night, or when stress is kind of hitting you throughout the day, or when you have a big event or something coming up where you kind of need that extra boost of confidence and a mood booster, because when you breathe them in, they go into the limbic part of your brain, which controls your mood and emotions, and so breathing them in is the fastest way to positively affect your mood. That concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates if you haven't already done so, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.